Please visit the link provided to get to the PHET circuit simulator. This works best on a computer. They say it also works on a tablet. I wouldn't try your phone, it's just not, your phone screen's not big enough. To build a circuit, simply drag the components into the blue area of the screen and then drag them to connect them. You can change the length of the wires just by clicking. It's okay if things overlap, but it looks better if they don't. So I just use extra wires for that. And here we have a circuit. If you need to disconnect items, click on the joint and then choose the scissors to disconnect. And you can also connect multiple things to one junction. You could run another wire off of here if you needed to. You can adjust the properties of a component by clicking on it. Like here, I'm going to change the voltage. I'd like you to build a series circuit for this assignment and a parallel circuit, and you're going to submit a screen capture of both for a grade. Let's build a series circuit first. The series circuit we're going to build is going to have 3 lights. Now, to get rid of an extra component, highlight it and then just hit the delete key. So a series circuit. I like to place my components first and then hook up the wires. It's a series circuit. There you go. Let's put a switch in here. Traditionally, the switch goes between the battery and the first component. Although, as I'll show you, it'll work anywhere. There it is. Now we can open and close the circuit. But a switch will do the same thing anywhere. We could put it down here. Anything that breaks that circuit will function like a switch. So for the assignment, you'll build a series circuit with 3 bulbs in series. Put the switch between the battery and the first bulb. Adjust the voltage to 30. Take a picture with the switch closed, please. To take a screen capture in this program, you come down here to the 3 dots. Oops. You come down here, yeah. This is giving me a fit. There we go. Come down here to the 3 dots and choose screenshot. And that'll save a screenshot for you. You can then paste that into a Word document or maybe right into Canvas. For the second part of the assignment, I would like you to create a parallel circuit. So here's our series circuit with just 1 bulb. And if I want to add a second bulb, I can reposition it by grabbing one of the little circles there. I'm trying to keep this as neat as possible for you, and I'd appreciate you do the same when I go to grade it. Really helps. Now we have a parallel circuit, 2 paths of flow. One through here, the second through there. If I disconnect either bulb, if I remove the bulb, the other circuit still works. So there it is. I'm going to have you make 3 bulbs in parallel and include a switch between the positive and the first bulb. So that'll look something like this. And you'll add a third bulb over here. Again, change the battery voltage to 30. Take a screen capture with it lit up and upload that to Canvas, please. When you're done that, you can do all kinds of fun things in here. This is neat to play with. You can build big, giant, complicated circuits. There's more things to choose from down here. High voltage batteries, things that are conductors, things that are insulators. You can make big, complex circuits. You can also take a voltmeter and measure the voltage drop across things. It's kind of fun. Now you won't see a voltage drop across here because there's no voltage difference. You'll need to be on either side of the load to see that. There's fun things you can play with. Enjoy.